road is white, frozen breath in a morning light. Every step a promise made. In falling snow we're unafraid. Cold on our skin, fire in the chest. The heart knows the way even when tested. Peace is not passive, peace is war. Through storm and silence, prayer and frost. No shortcuts taken, no turning back. Faith in our feet on an icy path. Faces rise from drifting snow, smiles glow where the cold winds blow. Hands wave warmth we cannot see, but feel as love surrounding us. When the road feels long and the night feels near, kindness speaks and the way is clear. Peace is not passive, peace is war. Sleepless roads and frozen thoughts. Step by step the truth is taught. A living vow, peace is walked. From rally roads to DC ground, one shared hope, one steady sound. Now waiting for the storm to end, walking with faith. Again, again. Passive, peace is lived in every breath, in what we give. Through pain, through cold, through endless white, peace is walked into the night. Still the walk continues.